Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
Hawaiian seafood chowder. In a large pot, add oil, cook bacon until crispy. Sauté onion, leek, celery, and fennel, salt, pepper for about 10 minutes, medium-high heat. Then add butter and melt. Stir in flour and mix well. Add clam juice, heavy cream, Worcestershire, and tabasco. Whisk until soup thickens to desired consistency. Add potatoes about 10 minutes until fork tender. Then add mahi, opaka, and cook until done. Season with salt and pepper to taste. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.
Mahalos.